If you are a woman over 40, I need you to hear this clearly. You have spent years learning your own beauty, your own rhythm, your rich skin, your softened confidence. And yet most of us were never actually taught where to wear our perfume. We just spray and hope. That stops today. Because where you place your fragrance matters just as much as which fragrance you choose. Placed correctly, it becomes a signature. Placed carelessly, it fades in 20 minutes and does nothing for you. So if you have a date tonight, a dinner with someone who matters, or simply a day where you want to feel like the woman you have worked so hard to become, sit with me for a few minutes. Today we are talking about the art of wearing your scent the right way. Let's begin. Your pulse points. Start where your body runs warmest. Your wrists. Spray lightly, then pat the fragrance in gently. Do not rub your wrists together. I know it feels natural, almost instinctive, but rubbing actually breaks down the top notes and changes how the fragrance develops on your skin. A gentle pat preserves it exactly as the perfumer intended. Your pulse points run warm throughout the day, and that natural heat is what releases fragrance slowly, hour after hour. This is especially true for women over 40. Mature skin tends to hold fragrance beautifully, blooming it into something richer and more personal than it ever was in the bottle. That is not a flaw. That is an advantage most women never learn to use. Behind the ear. Next, a small amount just behind the ear. Here is why this placement is so quietly powerful. When someone leans in close, when they hug you, when they lower their voice near you, this is the exact spot their senses meet first. It is intimate without being obvious. Subtle without being forgettable. This is the kind of detail that separates a woman who wears perfume from a woman who wears a signature. Women that are ready to wear their fragrance with intention, not guesswork. What to avoid. Now here is something almost nobody tells you, and I think it is time someone finally did. Please stop spraying perfume directly onto the front of your neck or your bare chest. I know it feels like the obvious spot, but most fragrances contain alcohol and oils that, combined with daily sun exposure on that delicate skin, can contribute to premature fine lines over time. And if aging gracefully matters to you the way it matters to me, protecting that skin is part of the whole picture. Rich skincare and smart fragrance habits belong in the same conversation. They are not separate rituals. They are the same act of self-respect. So skip the front of the neck. There is a better way, and it works even more beautifully. Collarbones and the nape of your neck. Instead, spray along both collarbones and add a touch to the nape of your neck, right at the base beneath your hairline. This does something remarkable. As you move through your day, walking through a room, turning to greet someone, adjusting your natural hair or your silver strands, the fragrance releases in soft waves behind you. It is not just perfume anymore. It becomes a trail, a quiet signature that lingers after you have already walked past. That is the whole secret of an unforgettable presence. It was never about being the loudest woman in the room. It was always about being the one people remember once she's gone. And can I say something a little provocative because I think it needs to be said? So many of us over 40 were taught to make ourselves smaller, quieter, more forgettable, as if age meant fading into the background. I reject that completely. Leaving a scent trail is not vanity. It is presence. It is proof that you are still fully here, fully alive, fully yourself. Did you know the collarbone trick before today? Or is this brand new information for you? Closing. So the next time you get ready for a date, for dinner, for absolutely no reason except that you deserve to feel beautiful, remember this. Wrists, patted gently. Behind the ear, for intimacy. Collarbones and the nape of your neck, for that lingering trail nobody can quite explain but everybody notices. This is what a luxury lifestyle for women over 40 actually looks like. Not extravagance.
Attention.
Small, elegant choices that add up to a woman who knows exactly who she is. Go put it on. Walk out that door. And let them wonder what that scent was, long after you've already gone. I love you. Always.